again. It's a rich thing.
Welcome back to another video. So we're going to get a little bit of something done on my right hand today. I'm going to use the gels that came in this month's gel box. So that's the colours there. Bright colours this month. And I thought this was a builder in a bottle, but I think it's some kind of non-white kind of sheer top colour. I'm in two minds about that. I'm not sure. I thought it was a builder. So that was the tutorial that came this month. I'll quickly show you the colours again there. And I put a poll on my Insta saying should I stick with the tutorial or put my own twist on it. And you all voted to put my own twist on it. So I'm going to do a little tiny bit of a twist. Not much, but a little one. So these are the tips that I'm using. I think they're in my Amazon store. If you click my Amazon store link below, you'll find all the stuff that I use and all my recommendations, anything that I've reviewed and loads of other fancy little bits, all in my Amazon store. Links always in my description box. So a quick bit of nail prep. I've just pushed my cuticles back and scraped away any dead cuticle skin, and I'm just buffing off all the shine on my natural nail. So that's then prepped, ready to go. Not much prep to do. Cut myself badly there, look. I don't know how I did that, I'm not sure. So I'm just going to give my nails a quick, nice thin coat of base coat, and I'm going to cure them in the lamp for 30 seconds. So yeah, I've gone with kind of a short to medium length almond today, and I'm using the Bow and Pretty nail tips gel. Very quick, easy way to put nails on, isn't it? So I've just put a nice little teeny tiny blob, starting with my pinky. I've got my lamp ready to go. Push it down at that cuticle and then push the gel, spread it all the way up your nail. And once that gel covers your natural nail, stick it in the lamp. So I just give it a little flash cure under that lamp. And then once I've got them all on, I'll put them in my big lamp then for a full cure. So same again, push it down at the cuticle, spread that glue all the way up to cover your natural nail and stick it under the lamp. This Bow and Pretty stuff's amazing, and they've got it in pink, nude pink, white. You can get it in all different colours on the website. I've got a huge 22% off discount code for Bow and Pretty as well. It'll all be in my description box with any products that I've used today. Gelbox as well, guys. You can buy a lot of their gels separate now on the website. And I think they've added top and base as well. So I'm going to get the rest of these stuck on off camera now. Voila, there we go. Quick little bit of filing. I always like to file up the edges up the sides of my tips like that. And round the cuticle area. Because I'm using my left hand, I'm just using a hand file. But you can do this with an e-file if you feel comfortable enough. Just blending that tip in around my sides and around my cuticle area, and just getting away any little bits of glue that might have leaked out. And then these tips, they've got little knobbly bits on the tip, so I'm just rounding the tips off. And again, I'm going to get rid of all that shine using a buffer ready for gel polish. So I decided to use this Canary Island on the middle two nails. I'm just using it as like a sheer colour coat. So I'm just starting out by doing one thin coat. And I do off camera have a little mess about to make sure I get some of those little colour. There's little coloured bits, blue, red. I think there's yellow in there as well. So I do have a little mess about with it just to get a couple of those colours, those little bits exactly where I want them. And then I'm going in with a second coat. I did actually do 3 coats just so that I could give them a file and a buff without losing any of the shape. I will just show you this one, and I think I'll do the other one off camera. Right, so then I went in with Ariel, this colour, guys. I love it. I love it. Fantastic coverage for a neon. I am just going to do 2 thin coats. Again, I'll just show you doing one. Fantastic coverage for a neon. Neons can be really sheer, can't they? And I think they have to be a little bit sheer so that they cure all the way through because they're so pigmented. But yeah, look at that. Fantastic. I love it. And then on the pinky, I went in with Margarita San Jose. No, it's not the pinky, I'm lying. It's the ring finger. I put the sheer colour with bits in it on the pinky, didn't I? So again, I'm just going to do one coat of this Curate and give it a second coat. And lastly, for the thumb, I'm going to use, what was it called? Bikini Bottom. And I am using my non-dominant hand today, guys, so please bear that in mind. If you are sat there thinking, she looks a bit awkward today, I'm using my left hand. Right, so that is all my base colours put down. I'm just putting a little blob of each of those colours, except the sheer one, on my palette. And I'm just going to do little tiny little swooshy things. So I'm going to do a little flicky line like that. But can you see I'm doing the line a bit thicker at the top and just bringing it down into a really, really skinny point. Both nails are going to be the same. And then same with the orange. I'm leaving a little gap at the top, but I'm bringing it to meet the yellow down at that point. So same shape, a bit thicker at the top and thinner at the tip, but I'm kind of meeting them at the bottom, like that. You can see, hopefully, what I'm doing. Then I'm going to give them a quick 30 seconds cure in the lamp before I go on to the next colour. So lastly, all I'm doing with the blue, I'm using a dotting tool and I'm just doing 4 little dots, kind of half of a flower at the top of that swirl and same at the bottom. But with the top one, I'm going to put yellow in the middle because it's next to the orange stripe. And then the bottom flower, I'm going to put orange in the middle because that's next to the yellow stripe. Just like that. And I've done exactly the same on that middle finger as well. So that is it, guys. I am just going to give these a quick top coat. If your nail feels a bit lumpy where you've done the little flowers, you can either give it a quick buff and another top coat, or you can go over them with a base coat first and then another top coat. I wasn't planning on leaving these on, so I just did the one top coat. Guys, wait and see this orange come to life as soon as I put this top coat on it. It is a beautiful, beautiful bright orange. I love it. So there we go, guys, that is then finished. I didn't take too much of a twist from the tutorial this month, did I? But I really like how they turned out. I'm quite happy with them. Nice, quick, easy, definitely beginner friendly nail art design, isn't it? Anyway, guys, that is it for today. Discount code, details of any other products I've used today will all be in my description box. Please remember to give the video a quick thumbs up, subscribe to my channel if you're not already, and hopefully I'll see you all back in my next one. Take care. Bye.